We've seen some cryptocurrencies drop over 90+%. I'm okay with that. I'm okay to take on the volatility, mainly because I cover my bases with boring investments that really don't do so well by investing in areas where it won't really earn as much. It could actually even be beaten by inflation. But anything on top of that, I'm willing to be aggressive. I'm not sure if you have been noticing it, that every time I have little Satoshi as part of the video, I get to talk more about baby stuff, or at least personal finance stuff, or fatherhood investment stuff also. But I want to address this to people who are investors like me. I'm nearing my 40s already. I get this question a lot. Did my investing style change ever since I became a father? Please do note that little Satoshi is still less than a year old, and she's also a warrior for life. But did my investing style really change? Was there anything that was relatively drastic in the way I analyzed or at least deployed capital as well? And the way I would assess myself, no, I'm the type of person that risk averse, but in the same time, I'm a risk taker. When I say that I'm risk averse, if you watch my videos, I'm a big fan of storing cash. I'm a big fan of building a base. Gumagalaw siya. I'm a big fan of building base to somehow protect me when there are any untoward incidents in the economy, in the business cycle, or at least a disruption of income. I want to make sure that I cover everything. I want to make sure that I would be able to eat, not just eat, but live a normal life, that I get to maintain the lifestyle that I want, but above and beyond that, I get to sleep well at night knowing that should anything bad happen from an economic perspective, that I'd still be okay, that I'd still have enough funds, not just survive, but also thrive. That's me from the nutshell of me being conservative in a way. But when I say that I'm a bit conservative and also aggressive at the same time, anything that's above and beyond my cash, I'm okay already to take as much risk about that as possible. And even if the crypto market has been slumping, the NFT market has been slumping, even if the US market is down, even if the stock market from a general perspective also isn't as rosy, and majority of the asset classes, because of what's happening in the US, high inflation, we have a lot of problems in logistics still. The US government has stopped the helicopter money. It has hit a lot of markets because there's not a lot of free money anymore that's there. Because of that, we've seen some cryptocurrencies drop over 90+%. I'm okay with that. I'm okay to take on the volatility, mainly because I cover my bases with boring investments that really don't do so well by investing in areas where it won't really earn as much. It could actually even be beaten by inflation. But anything on top of that, I'm willing to be aggressive. I'm willing to take on risks that a lot of people don't actually want to take. Let's remove your error. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. I'm okay to take on investments that a lot of people are not willing to take. Now, that being said, did my approach and did my strategy change now that we have little Satoshi here who's commanding everything that I'm actually doing? Life is revolved around little Satoshi right now. Did it change? The answer to that is no. Why? Because I invest based on my goals, I invest based on my plans, I invest based on my strategy, I invest based on my risk tolerance. And if you watch my videos before about dividend investing, the main reason why I was also investing in dividend investing was mainly because I wanted cash flow. I wanted to receive passive income regardless if the market was bullish or bearish. So my main thesis for investing is basically kala ko may nahulog na liquid sa akin. My main basis for investing is from the thesis of what do I actually want? Do I want cash flow or do I want growth? So up until now, I'm nearing 40. I want a combination of both. I want cash flow to give me something that's predictable. I want cash flow to give me something that I know what I can expect on a regular basis. I want cash flow because I want that even if the market drops massively, there is an amount of money that I can receive on a regular basis. However, above and beyond having cash flow, above and beyond having a passive rate of return that I could receive on a regular basis, I also want investments that could give me growth still. And up until now, that hasn't changed. What has changed though over 15 plus years of investing is that when I was younger, early 20s, I didn't want investments that gave me cash flow. I didn't want investments that were relatively boring. I didn't want investments that were stable. But looking at it right now as I get older and as I mature in age, as I near 40, I'm okay with it. I like investments that would give me growth. I like investments that would give me cash flow. I like investments that are also boring, that are steady, that are beaten by inflation. However, it's these three things that allow me also to take on as much risk as possible. If you'd asked me 10 years ago if I would go into metaverse related tokens or DeFi related tokens, or to go into the ones that have very, very low market caps, maybe I wouldn't do it. But having the earlier investments that I've mentioned, from cash flow slash passive slash dividend investing, from stocks that are really, really good, that could give me growth, it gives me the leeway to take on as much risk as possible. So if you're watching this and you're thinking that, oh no, I'm gonna have a child, my wife's pregnant, or I'm about to get married, always base it on what are your targets. Are you there to grow your money, allot capital on investments that will give you growth? Are you there to preserve your capital, then allot cash into assets, into investments that will preserve what you actually have? Are you there to get cash flow, then allot your cash into assets that will give you cash flow? This is harder than what it looks, guys. So harder because she keeps on moving, she keeps on kicking with her little feet, so I'm a bit distracted, and she's crying. No, please don't cry, please don't cry. No, please don't cry, please don't cry. We have to finish the video. We have to finish the video. No. Ah, wait lang, guys, Yay, she stopped crying, and I'm so proud of you. Woohoo! Anyways, so to put this to a close, also, if you're the type of person that just wants liquidity, meaning you just want to get your investments or your assets very, very fast, that if you want to liquidate it, it's already there, it's already available. It may not really grow, it may be beaten by inflation, but the moment you need it, it's already there for you. Then you allot your investments based on that. Now, growth, cash flow, passive, liquidity, whatever it is, the main goal also when you try to do it and when you try to analyze everything is basically this. It should hit whatever goals that you have. Child's education, health, travel, business, or whatever it is in between. It has to hit a particular goal in mind. It has to set the context that you are investing, not just to make money, not just to grow it, not just to get cash flow, but also to hit a goal in the future. So there. Maybe I have to end this video already, guys, because really, she's starting to cry again. So I hope that you guys got a lot from this, and I hope this video is something that was insightful. It was something that was good, and it gave you the wisdom and the knowledge to turn in the market. So this is Marvin Germo. If you guys learned a lot from this, like, share, subscribe. And if you guys have any more questions that you would want to learn, we're in this journey together. I'm also growing as a father slash investor as well. So put them down in the comment section below, and I'm gonna make videos for you guys as well. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo, along with little Satoshi, who's starting to cry. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.